Production of consistently accurate roll-form parts begins with expert engineering and design assistance. All our tooling is designed in-house, using the latest CAD technology, and manufactured to our exacting specifications by skilled craftsmen. Our engineering team will review your requirements and develop a production schedule that meets your needs. Through timely planning, we can optimize production methods and eliminate false starts to save you time and money. Roll forming process has been perfected over many decades in the custom metal components business, allowing us to quickly produce strong metal components that are made to exact specifications. The roll forming process works by passing sheet metal through a series of rollers, with each of these rollers adding shape to the metal as it passes through. The rolls work together to form the desired cross-section. Since the process is consistent and easy to repeat, roll forming proved as a great way to produce even very high volumes of metal components. Roll forming lines can be set up with multiple configurations to punch, shape and cut off parts in a continuous operation. The roll forming lines can be set up to use a pre-cut die where a single blank run through the rolling mill, or a post-cut die where the profile is cut off after the roll forming process. Features may be added in a hole, notch, embossing, or shear form by punching in line. Some roll forming lines incorporate only one of the above punch or cut-off applications, others incorporate some or all of the applications in one line. Roll form parts are valued for many reasons, among them uniformity, accuracy, and structural integrity. The roll form process additionally offers the benefits of cost-effectiveness, versatility and durable results. One of ability roll forming process is design custom roll forming according to requirement customer. We can produce all kind of custom roll forming machine. In this video you see sound barrier roll forming machine. This machine produces steel profile that uses for sound absorption. Sound absorption panels comprise of the mineral wall core, faced with a black film and enclosed in an acoustic perforated steel tray sheet that can be produced by roll forming machine. This forms an acoustic panel which is both decorative and durable. All fixing channels are of light gauge steel. Sound absorption panels are designed to reduce noise and reverberation problems in factories, plant rooms, workshops, test bays, sports halls, swimming pools and other industrial or sports-type environments that require hard-wearing surfaces. Panels are very durable and resistant to impact, as well as being simple and quick to install. This profile is used for soundproof sealing. These panels allow you to obtain excellent sound reduction combined with a tough, durable perforated steel finish. Ideally suited for use in factories, machine rooms, test areas, workshops, sports halls, and swimming pools. LOTOSFORMING is able to quickly handle all your roll forming needs, whatever those needs might be. We can create both standard shapes and custom shapes, both of which are produced at the highest quality levels possible. Lotos Roll Forming Machinery Manufacturing is world roll forming machine manufacturer, leader in the production of roll forming machine systems, manufacturer and import of roll forming machine. Welcome any profile to design and produce roll forming machine. For getting more knowledge about roll forming machine, subscribe our YouTube channel. And also feel free to send your inquiry to us by email.